What's the meaning of bloody? Bloody. Bloody.
Bloody. Bloody. Bloody is a common English slang word that can be used as an adjective, adverb, or expletive. It is often used to express strong emotion, such as frustration, anger, or surprise. The word originated from the Old English term bloatig, which meant covered in blood. In modern usage, it is typically used to add emphasis or intensify a statement, similar to the use of the word very or really. However, bloody can also be considered a mild profanity in some contexts, particularly in British English. It is important to be aware of cultural differences and appropriate usage when using this word.